Hi guys, welcome back to another amazing video. This is Riji and today I'm going to teach you on how to solve the 7 by 7. Are you ready? Okay, then get your 7 by 7 and let's do it together. Okay, so I hope you know the moves. So if you don't know the moves, please check out my 3 by 3 video because you need to know a 3 by, like always, all big cubes you need to learn a 3 by 3 before learning them. So like that for 7 by 7, first you need to learn a 3 by 3. So check, if you don't know how to solve a 3 by 3, make sure to learn that first, and to learn that please check my video in the description box below. And okay, so now I hope you learned the moves and all and the basics. Okay, and the moves. So now I'm gonna mix it up and then I'll teach you how to solve it. Okay, so I have mixed it up. So this is this is how I mixed up. So now the first step is we need to, like always, we need to solve the centers. So in this 7 by 7 tutorial there will be 4 parts. This is the first part. So okay, so first you need to solve, so how to know the colors. For example, this is white, this is red, like that, how to know. So you need to look at the centered piece. Okay, so I can easily recognize it because I have a logo here. This is the center piece. So it's like this center piece of the face. For example, this is white, so this fully should be white. This should be red. This should be blue. This should be orange. That. Okay. So first we need to solve the white. So we need to solve a white bar in the middle first. Now I have 3 over here, so I'll make 4 and 5. So how will I make it? Now my easiest way how I find the correct piece to put here is like and here in this in this centers, this is a 5 by 5 inside, and inside the 5 by 5 there is a 3 by 3. So now I want to fill up these. Okay, this is not in the 3 by 3. Okay, here 3 by 3. So but this is in the 5 by 5. So I will see each like 5 by 5 here. This is 5 by 5, and I found that this piece should come in the middle of this. So I see it might be like this, the middle of the last bars. Okay, in the top, right, down, or left. Okay, now it was in the left, and I found it is in the middle, this white piece. So I can easily bring it up by doing just this. Okay, so now with this piece, now the same, it's not in the 3 by 3 but it's in the 5 by 5, and it's here. So this one inside the middle. So this one is 5 by 5, and then there's nothing in the middle, only this white, but it's not in the middle. Here no, only a corner is here. So 5 by 5 means you should check only this. Okay, the outer 5 by 5. For 3 by 3 we need to check the outer 3 by 3, but if you are so confused with it, you can check this also, but we don't need to. Okay, so the outer 5 by 5 here. Now I found 2 middle pieces, so which one I'll choose? Anything. For me, I want to choose this one. So what I'll do is, it goes here, so I'll move this and bring it up. Okay, so then I'll try another one. Okay, so for example this. Okay, so now I finished the white bar, middle bar. Next we can solve, for example, this bar and this bar. So there are 5 bars in a 5 by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm solving, let's solve this one and this one. So this one first. So I'll do this, and then I thought maybe in the 4 by 4, make sure to check the 5 by 5 or 4 by 4 video. I checked in the description box below to for easy understanding for this video, but it's optional. Okay, you don't have to see it, but make sure to see the 3 by 3 video. Okay, But if you want to understand better and if you want to solve it better, and you need to learn the 4x4 and 5x5, which I'll send in the description box below. Okay, so now here there is, in the 3x3, there is 2 corner pieces in the 3x3 and 1 center piece. So here I found 1 corner piece in this 3x3, so this will be in my bar, and here a center piece in my 3x3, so I'll move it here and move it here, then another corner piece here, then another piece, okay, here and here. Now it's in the outer 5x5. Okay, so outer 5x5, in these pieces and all, okay, they are not in the corners or not the centers. Okay, okay, so for example, this is in the center and this is not in the, it might be sometimes, okay, this piece will be in the correct or wrong, we don't know. Okay, so now I have 2 empty spots. Okay, 2 choices. Will this fit? No. But here will it fit? Yes. So I'll put it here, then corner center, and this one here. So here I'll move it up. Will this fit? Yes. Then I'll bring it up. Okay, like that. We need to finish this bar also. I hope you can do it. Okay, I'll pause the video and solve it. Okay, so I wanted to tell you something. Okay, that piece is in the bottom. What should you do? Okay, you need to bring that piece up here. Okay, it will come here. Now I'm doing this bar. So bring it up, then preserve it, then bring it back down, because this piece will get messed up like that. Now I'll continue. So here. Okay, so by mistakenly, if your piece got inside, what you can do is you can move up 2 times. Okay, now I have solved this. Now how to solve this? You just use the same method, corner, but instead you need to use corner, one of these pieces which is not center nor corner, these one of like this, then center. Okay, so I hope you can solve these 2 by yourself. Okay, so I solved this. Now I'm going to solve this. I'll just show you this one. Okay, so this goes here. So I'll match these 2. So what I'll do is like this. Move it away and get back. Then I'll put it up like that. Then I'll move this layer up, preserve, put it back down. Then bring this here, then okay, for here what should you do? I'll just put it up. Okay, so now I have solved the white successfully. Now let's move on to the yellow. Now for yellow, you need to move it up. Okay, so it's just like the 5x5 and the 4x4. Okay, so it's just like solving the white, but you need to do something more. Okay, you need to preserve the white. So how to solve the yellow while you preserve the white, I'll teach you. So first, like this is yellow, the opposite white is yellow. So put the white down. Okay, then I want first to make the bar. So 2 3x3 edges and 2 5x5 edges like that. Okay, so I see a 3x3 edge over here. Now I'll bring it up. Now these 2 came up, right? How to preserve it? Now I will move to an empty layer like this. Okay, these 2 are empty, and then put it back down. Okay, then I see a 3x3 edge over here. So 3 3x3 edges, but I need 1. Bring it up. Now I can do 2 times because this will get down. So instead I'll move you 1 time. These. Okay, so now what you will do is 5x5 edges. There's 1 over here already. So what I will do is bring it. I'll move this up. Now 1 layer. So I see 1 layer empty. Then here or here itself, I'll just this. Then 1 layer up, down. Okay, now you're gonna solve this. Okay. So I hope you can make the bar. Okay, and I'll teach you how to put it up. Okay, so I finished making this bar. Now I'm gonna put it up. So I'll move 2 layers up. Since these two are free, I'll move back down. Okay, like that I'm gonna make the other one. So what I see here is, I see this. Okay, so 2 3x3 corners, 2 of these pieces and 1 3x3 each. One corner is here. One of these pieces I can put it down. Then one 3x3 edges over here. Put it here. And there's another 3x3 corner. It's up here. So if it's up, what you do is you need to put it down. So I'll bring it down and preserve the piece, because this piece I'll just put like this to preserve this. It will go back up and then bring it up. Okay, so I have this third piece. Now I don't have any place to put it, else if I put it up here, this will move. So why should I put it here? I don't have any place. Okay, so what I will do is I will take one bar itself. Okay, if you take like this, it will get messed up. Okay, if I take one bar, it will not get messed up. Full one bar. U2. Okay, because then you can put this bar here, right? So I'll do U2 and put it back down, and automatically this bar will come. Okay, like that. I hope you can solve these. Okay, so I'll just solve one and the other. Yeah, so put it up like that. Then I'll put it. I'll use this bar. Then put it down. So this is how to solve the yellow, and white is also preserved. Now like that. Okay, now I'm going to solve these pieces. So I will put white on the left and right, white and yellow on the left and right. Now you can choose any color. I will solve blue. So now the starting color. Okay, for example, red is the starting color. For me, blue is my starting color. You can solve it just like the white, but don't mess up these. Don't do any these moves. Okay. That means you don't need to do all these moves. Okay, you can move one layer because it won't mess up the centers. Okay, so I hope you can solve it by yourself, because I taught you how to solve the white. So I hope you can solve it by yourself. But still I will show you. Okay, so I solve the blue like that. The red you need to solve like the yellow. Okay, just if you want, you can put the blue down or in the back. Okay, I'll put it in the back. Make sure to not do these moves or that. Okay, so I'll pause it. And so, okay, so I have solved. Okay, so now there are two more centers. So, okay, I will teach you in the next part. So I hope you like this I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to see more of my interesting videos. Thank you. Bye.